Hi, this is Ray with Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning, bringing you scenes from our cleaning of the President's House at Florida State University. This project was cleaned in late July of 2014. We made sure to hit all of the structures, including the house, the fences, the brick walls. We used our soft wash process to make sure we did not cause any damage to the property. At an estate project like this, with extensive landscaping, protection is of utmost concern. We make sure to drape and mask all areas of sensitive plants. We also like to use a soft wash process that's much more gentle on the exterior than traditional pressure washing. Remember, when you have exterior cleaning needs from 1,500 square feet to 15,000 square feet, call Spray Wash Exterior Cleaning.